So we'll just have a quick look at how to use your iPad to get images in to explain everything, so you can use them for revision files. So obviously if you've got something that requires a camera, you can just take a photograph of it. So if you've got some written work, if you want some exemplifying photos, the easiest thing to do is do a Google search for them, and maybe you want to just choose the picture, and then you use the two buttons on your iPad to take a photo. Now that picture is now in your photo gallery, so when you switch to explain everything, you can press the button which is a square and a cross inside it, and that gives you some options. The easiest thing to do, obviously you don't want to take a new picture, you've got the picture existing in your gallery, so existing photo video, choose your camera roll, and there's the photo that I took. So I'll open that up, and you can see at the top of the screen on the right it's giving you some options. So I'm going to use the cropping tool to drag over the top of my image. Don't need to be too exact, as long as you get the ideas in. Click on done, and then done again, and then I can just pinch and move around to resize and move this about. So now I've got my images for the video that I used earlier, that I created earlier, and the lesson plan that I created earlier. When you come to record, you simply are pressing the red button at in the center bottom and speaking and moving things as you go. Now I'll show you that in another video, but it might be worth me showing you. I've already done that. You can see by the 11-second timer on here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to export that to YouTube. All you do is you choose the this icon and export to YouTube. Now you have a YouTube account, and I think on the first time that you use it, it asks you to authenticate that. Your YouTube account, surprisingly, is your username at mmhs.co.uk and whatever password you're currently using for the cloud. And what it does is it gives you some things you can fill in. It automatically sets it to education, and then you just publish it. Fantastic. And that's it. And then it's available in school. Well, it's available to everyone. What it will show you when it does it, I will cancel this because it takes a while. It'll give you an address that you can copy or email to students and send to. I always send it to myself as well, and that means that I can then access that later. I can tell them about it in school. Sometimes you might need to check it's available in school to students. Certainly available outside of school, but your account may need something doing to it so that it can be seen by students in school, and the person to see for that is Dave Leonard or Steve Lancaster. Have fun.